Interesting story behind this one. I was actually at the machine shop, D&D, working on my van, and some guy pulls up asking for something welded. So I think this is a fence post driver of some sort. It looks like, I'm not trying to talk shit at the guy working on it before me, but it doesn't look like he had the settings anywhere near hot enough, and it looks like he's probably using a 110 machine. And to be honest, these look like welds without shielding gas. I don't know if that's just from all the hammer blows on top of it, but I can see very clearly that on this plate, it didn't penetrate at all. So that's probably why it came completely off. And I'm just gonna go ahead and grind all these welds and re-weld it for them. So due to the nature of the job not being all that crucial as far as dimensions and stuff go, it's literally just a plate for somebody to beat on with a hammer. I am going, the way I prepped it kind of initially to get the weld off is I just cut away at a 45-degree angle with the grinder. That's just gonna save me some time, and that'll just prep it up a little quicker so that way I don't have to grind so much with the flat wheel. Now again, I don't know who did this before, what their circumstances were, but you can clearly see that it didn't really penetrate. I did prep the surface I was gonna weld to, but on a lot of these spots you could see the weld just kind of popped right off. This side it looked like it got some penetration, but not much. I'm wondering if I can knock that off with a chisel, to be honest with you, but I'm gonna go ahead and grind the rest of this off and then preheat this plate because it is pretty thick, and then I'm gonna go ahead and weld this guy on there. Probably gonna use 6013 rod just because that's what I got in the shop, and I'm trying to do a quick job here. Keep that heat on there while I turn the settings a little more for that. Repair for some random guy just hitting me up while I was in the middle of something else. I mean, and I'm not mad. I hope he isn't either. I intended for this to last forever. The weirder jobs I think I've taken, not because of the work, but just the circumstances. I was literally outside of Dave's shop broken down when that guy came up to me, so it's nice to sneak a little repair in there to pay for the parts that I need to fix my truck. So if you guys did enjoy the video or found it useful, please consider liking and subscribing. And other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Happy New Year's and God bless.